Embark on a journey through our factories design department in this captivating video. Witness our skilled modeling team engrossed in their projects, from beloved Disney characters to the cosmic guardians of the galaxy. The Sun D model files provided by our clients serve as the initial inspiration, but before production begins, our designers meticulously assess their manufacturability. This crucial step ensures that every intricate detail is achievable, spanning approximately 7 days. This evaluation process allows us to refine the concept, making it production ready. The video showcases 4 dedicated colleagues, each huddled at their workstations, bringing these imaginative visions to life. With utmost precision, dive into the world of creativity and expertise that defines MIHOX, where design meets craftsmanship, and client dreams are transformed into tangible reality.